Women like drama. They like drama. They like chaos. I don't want to use the word chaos because chaos sounds negative. They like challenges. So now that she's not being challenged, she's feeling like, what's up? Am I offline? Like, am I alone? Like, is something wrong? Am I overdoing it? So she's checking herself. Because what women need and what they want and what they respond to are three different things. What you are just saying now, you are indirectly telling me what you need. When I know definitely you will not respond to it even if I do it. So that thing that you will respond to is what I will capitalize on. So I will keep any man that has sense. That's why you see bad boys always have the good girls. Because they know what women respond to, so they capitalize on what women respond to. The challenge is not there, they know they try.
Salma, you're quiet. I'm taking your man home. I don't know. You're not giving Vim this night. I don't even think she's here.
We'll perform miracles.
No. I don't know any of my students that is available. How many of you are understanding what's happening now? What Zoha just did? Who can explain? Is there anybody that is my student that is online that can explain what she has just done? Anybody?
Please, what did I do? I want to know.
Okay, you were talking about taking me out. All of a sudden, then you switched, and you were like, "Sir, man, you are not doing anything. I'm taking your man out." So I'm like, okay.
I'm actually going to take it from her. She's not being serious. She's not active.
Zoa, go on and say where you want to take me to. Yeah, please hold on first. We'll get back to you. Please, I beg of you. I like to carry my students along.
Why would you say I should say something and then say, hold on?
No.
Yeah, I think that's very rude.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, we're dealing with women. You have to be emotionally intelligent. Yeah, but anyway, it's fine.
So should I go on now or should I wait? Like you want to talk?
Oh, it's fine. You can talk.
Okay. All right. Thank you. So, Mr. John, you said she's diplomatic. Would you like to explain how she's diplomatic? Send the request. I'll bring you up. She did reverse psychology. So, what did she do? Like?
They were like kind of talking like that.
Yes.
So so she's not seeing like she's having upper hand.
Okay.
So she now wants to know her stand.
She wants to know her stand.
Like, yes. So this thing, have you given up? Like,
have you given up? Okay. Okay.
She now has to like talk in such a way that you will not ask directly.
Yes. Okay.
So the other person may not understand what she's doing.
Okay.
So the response she will give will determine what she will do next.
Okay. Next. Yeah, that's so detailed, right? Like that's so detailed. The intent is what I'm looking at, right? Like it's a default thing for women. They don't even know they are doing it. So she just did it. She did not know. That's why she's wondering like, what did I do? Women like drama. So the other lady is quiet, so there's no drama. Are you understanding me, Vincent? Women like drama. They like drama. They like chaos. I don't want to use the word chaos because chaos sounds negative. They like challenges. So now that she's not being challenged, she's feeling like, what's up? Am I offline? Like, am I alone? Like, is something wrong? Am I overdoing it? So she's checking herself. Like, so if someone says something now, she'll be on fire. Now, watch. She was talking and somehow I like, hey, please hold on. And she's like, why would you say something? I'm like, okay, all right, so I'm sorry. Right? Now, if I did say I'm sorry, and I go like, no, like I start arguing a little bit, she will enjoy the drama. She may stand her ground, she may even get offensive. But naturally, women just like drama. They don't want, when everything is calm, everything is just cool, everything is just smooth. It doesn't, their head doesn't work like that. They like challenge it. Yes, I agree. I agree that it's not true. I agree that it's not true.
You can't say that. You agree? That thing you're doing is something. That thing is something you're doing.
Yes, it's because you're intelligent.
You're just accepting it.
It's because you're intelligent.
So we don't have to talk.
No, it's because you are intelligent. Yes. That's why you know that I'm doing something. So hence I said, I agree that it's not so. Because what women need and what they want and what they respond to are three different things. What you are just saying now, you are indirectly telling me what you need. When I know definitely you will not respond to it even if I do it. So that thing that you will respond to is what I will capitalize on. So I will keep any man that has sense. That's why you see bad boys always have the good girls. Because they know what women respond to, so they capitalize on what women respond to. A woman will be with a very good guy, but will be complaining, he's too nice, he's just calm. If I tell him anything, he will just agree.
It's not all women.
Most women. Most women.
Women that don't understand.
Most women.
It's like you don't want to go sleep.
Most women.
What specific topic do you teach your student? Because you're just on, off, here, there, about, going, coming, going. So what specific topic do you normally teach?
Don't stop shouting on my man.
This is not
like girl.
This is not a class.
I'm acting my husband. I'm acting my man.
Oh yeah, more pray. Oh yeah, more pray, more go ask. Let's pray so we'll go home.
Let me pray.
You want to lead the prayer?
Over Sabi,
Wait. See what you
It's not
want.
my fault. You don't have a personal relationship with God.
Jesus. Both of you. I will flog you. Wait now. You should not do that.
So knowing that you're the apple of God's eye and actually
You see how they are proving me right, Mr. Paul. You see how they are proving me right. Can you see how they are proving me right?
I still want to lead this prayer today. Then she will take at the ending.
You see?
and I will break your head.
Rizzy, you're laughing. You see? Women enjoy drama. If drama not there, if challenge is not there, they know they thrive.